Today we'll be making a healthy apple crisp. This recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, and it doesn't contain any added sugar, so it's also hypoallergenic friendly. I've put the ingredients in the video description box so you can make it at home. Chop up the apples into thin pieces, then add in the apple juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, chia seeds, and arrowroot flour. Stir so that the apples are coated in the juice mixture. Pour everything into a large baking pan. I'm using a 9x13 size, and set it aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to make the topping. Stir together the gluten-free flour and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We already added cinnamon to the apples, but I like to add it here as well to add a sweet taste to the topping without adding sugar. Now add in the coconut oil. It should be soft enough to stir easily without being a liquid consistency. Stir until the mixture becomes crumbly like wet sand, then stir in the oats. Spoon the crumble mixture onto the apples, making sure it's distributed fairly evenly. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. You should see the apples and juices bubbling, and the crisp should become a golden brown. Let's be real, it doesn't look the prettiest, but it's so tasty, a healthy dessert option, and incredibly easy to make. To keep it hypoallergenic friendly, you can eat it plain or top it with coconut yogurt. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give my video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. See you next time!